I can
Hey
guarantee you that
guys,
this will be
check
your
out this
new
recipe.
go-to recipe for drumsticks. They're super juicy, they're flavorful, and they're easy to make. Let me show you how to do it. Take your chicken drumsticks, rinse them off or not, whatever, just make sure you pat them dry. Then you're gonna cut into them like that and kind of butterfly them all. They're gonna cook much faster like this, and it's gonna make sure that the seasoning gets right up on in there. Then to a small bowl, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of this chicken bouillon, some salt and pepper, a little bit of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and whatever else you want. It's totally up to you. Just mix it together till it's nice and blended up. Then I stirred in some oil just until it made like kind of a runny paste like that. I had some red onion that I added to it also. Then you're gonna seal up your bag and you're gonna give your chicken and onions a nice little massage. I would do this in the morning before you start your day, and then it's gonna be perfect by dinner time. But if you've got the time, I mean, overnight's not gonna hurt. So when it's finally time to cook your chicken, you're gonna put it down on a lined baking dish. Then cook them at 400 degrees until they're cooked all the way through. It'll be about 20 minutes. Then I added a little bit of this finishing olive oil and some parsley to make it look cute. This chicken is so flavorful and so juicy. Give it a try. I know you're gonna love it.
Thank you all for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Bye guys. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.